විශේෂයෙන්ම 80 දශකයේ එහෙත් මුල වන විට ඉන්දියාව තවත් එක ක්‍රිකට් රටක් පමණයි. ඒක විශේෂයෙන්ම කිව යුතුයි. කොටින්ම 1979 දී ලෝක කුසලාන තරගාවලියේදී ටෙස්ට් වරම් නොමැති ශ්‍රී ලංකාව අතින් ඉන්දියාව පරාජයට පත් වෙනවා. ඒත් 1983 දී ලෝක කුසලානයේදී විශේෂයෙන්ම ඒ සියලු පිතිකරන පන්දු කරන රටා තරමක් මන්දගාමී රටාවක් වුණට තිබුණේ. ඒ සියල්ල වෙනස් කරන්නට එවකට 1983 ඉන්දිය කණ්ඩායමේ ක්‍රිකට් නායකත්වයට හැකියාව ලැබුණා. එදා අවසන් තරගයේදී සිය තුන්වෙනි ලෝක කුසලානයට කුරුමානම් අල්ලමින් සිටි එවකට ලොව අති ප්‍රබලම අධිවේගීම යකඩ රෑනක්සේ ප්‍රකට බටහිර ඉන්දිය කොදෙව්වන් ක්ලයිව් රයිට්, පියර් රිචඩ්ස්, මැල්කම් මාර්ෂල් සහ මයිකල් හෝල්ඩින් වැන්නන්ගෙන් ප්‍රමුඛ බටහිර ඉන්දිය කොදෙව්වන් පරදවා ජය ගන්නට ඉන්දියාව මෙහෙ වූ මේ තුන් ඉරියව්වෙන්ම අනුන ක්‍රීඩකයා අති විශේෂයි. අප විශ්වාස කරන පරිද්දට අද ඉන්දියාව යම්කිසි ක්‍රිකට් දියුණුවක් ධනය අතින් සහ දක්ෂතා අතින් ලබා ඇතනම් ඒ මහා ක්‍රිකට් දියුණුවට පාර කැපුවේ ඔහු තමයි. ඉන්දියාවේ වේග පන්දු යවන්නන් බිහිවන්නේ නැතයි යන කියමන සපුරා වෙනස් කළ ඔහු ටෙස්ට් තරග 131කදී විකට් 434ක් ලබා ගන්නවා පමණක් නොවේ, වේගවත් පිති ප්‍රහාරයෙන් ලකුණු 5248ක් වාර්තා කරනවා. එක් දින තරගව 225කදී පන්දුවෙන් විකට් 253ක් ලබා ගන්නවා පමණක් නොවේ, පිත්තෙන් ලකුණු 3783ක් රැස් කරනවා. එපමණක් නොවේ, ශාරීරික ආබාධ රහිතව තම ජාතික කණ්ඩායමට එක දිගට ක්‍රීඩා කළ සුපිරි ජව සම්පන්න ක්‍රීඩකයා ඔහුයි. හැබැයි අපිට වැදගත් තව දෙයක් තිබෙනවා. ඒ තමයි 1986 දී දුලිප් මෙන්ඩිස්ගේ නායකත්වයෙන් යුක්ත ශ්‍රී ලංකා කණ්ඩායම ස්වකීය ටෙස්ට් ක්‍රිකට් ඉතිහාසයේ පළමුවෙනි ජයග්‍රහණය ලබා ගන්නේ කපිල් දේව්ගේ ඉන්දිය කණ්ඩායම පරාජයට පත් කරමින්. ඉතින් ඒකත් අතිශය දෛවෝපගතයි. ඉතින් අද මේ හමුවීමත් දෛවෝපගත නොවේද? විශේෂත්වය එයයි. අද ඉන්දියාව මහ විශාල රාජ්‍යයක්. ක්‍රිකට් පැත්තෙන් මා විශ්වාස කරනවා ලෝක පාලනය කළ හැකි රාජ්‍යයක්. එතැනට ඒ හැරවුම් ලක්ෂ්‍ය නිහඬව පිළියෙල කළේ ඔහු බව නොකියාම බැහැ.
Ladies and gentlemen, I now have the privilege of inviting the former Indian cricketer and one of the greatest cricketers of all time. He captained the Indian cricket team which won in the year 1983 the Cricket World Cup, named by Wisden as the Indian cricketer of the century in the year 2002, and is considered as one of the greatest all-rounders of all time, nicknamed as the Haryana Hurricane as he represented the Haryana cricket team in domestic cricket, and at that time he was also India's highest wicket taker in both forms of cricket, tests and ODIs. He's the only player in the history of cricket to have taken more than 400 wickets and scored more than 5,000 runs in tests. Ladies and gentlemen, Sri Lanka Cricket is pleased to host India's Cricketer of the Century, who has graciously accepted the invitation of SLC President, the Honourable Thilanga Sumathipala, and taken off his busy schedule to help us join in lauding the achievements of our young cricketers. Please put a warm round of applause to our guest of honour, Kapil Dev, as he makes his address.
Namaskar, good evening, Honorable Minister, President, Vice President, Chairman, ladies, gentlemen, women cricketers, my fellow cricketers, my colleague whom I played with. It's really honor to be here. Thank you very much. You invited me, given me this opportunity to come to know about your country a little more. I wish I known your language. I could have spoke about that. What this gentleman said about me, I don't know what he said, but he must have said something good. That's okay. When you invite me, you're not going to talk bad about me. I given rough time to Sri Lankan cricket, and Sri Lankan batsmen, there a man sitting there, Arvinda de Silva, given me a lot of rough time. And I can't forget Rai Dice. In my time, I think he was, if he's there, I don't know if he's here, I think one of the finest batsmen I bowled to. I've seen your cricket growing from a very young age. I was very young when I started playing, but that's the time you got recognition in the international cricket. And in such a short span, how well you people have done that. It's not only because of the cricketer. I think it's the effort of everybody, the passion of the people of your country, spectators. Despite of first 15 years, you were losing most of the matches. The people used to come back to the ground and loved you with a passion, and they would like to see the Sri Lankan cricket go up. And eventually you emerge one of the best team in the world. And that, in such a small island, you start doing wonders. Why you did that was only one thing. I think during that period, you start believing in yourself. You can do it. And your captain, Ranatunga, given that belief to everybody during our time, we are not less than everybody. We are better than everybody. Despite of your very simple, I feel, very subdued, not very aggressive race by nature, but on the field, I think the way you played the cricket, it was hats off to everybody. I know you had a rough time recently, not playing well. When you have a great cricketer is just gone, it is difficult. But that's how the cricket is all. The young cricketer who are sitting on my left side, who got a lot of rewards, they have a lot of responsibility. I can only say one thing to all the cricketers who are going to represent the country, who are playing for your country. Make sure, believe in yourself. Respect the opponent. But once you wear your country's color, you walk into the ground, nobody better than you. And that is you produce the result. I know everybody is hungry, and a lot of awards have to be given. I won't take much of a time. When I start playing cricket, if somebody says, you come and talk, I'd rather say not to play. I can't talk. So I'm not a great speaker. That's why I didn't join politics. Yeah, both the captain, Pakistan captain, Sri Lankan captain, they joined the politics and done reasonably well because they love talking. And I'm not. I don't like to talk too much. That's why I won't take much of a time. And before I come here, I talked to my teacher. I said, I have to go to Sri Lanka. I have to give speech. He said, you have only 7 minutes vocabulary of English. So you can't speak more than 7 minutes. So make sure your speech should not last more than 7 minutes. So already 5 minutes is gone. In 2 minutes, I have to manage and look for the right word to talk in front of you. So I just want to say, I think you are a wonderful nation and you are wonderful people. It's not I'm here, but I believe from my heart. Yes, I enjoyed playing here, playing against you people, but I made a wonderful friends in this country. Recently, you're going to come to India next in week or so. I just want to wish you all the luck. Not better than my country, but I want to wish you luck. I like to be honest. Look, I want to say, go out and play the best cricket. Let best team win. But I want you to say that, play the tough cricket. Don't overawed by any of the player. I know India is a large country and distractions are there, but I think you have a responsibility towards your country at this stage when your team is not playing so well. Somebody have to stand up and take the lead. It's not the captain, it's the team. It's very, very important. And I like to wish you all the best. Let's, next month and a half you play cricket. Win or lose is a separate thing. Play a cricket where people will remember you. And that's how the cricket is played. Once again, I want to say thank you very much inviting me, giving me opportunity. Normally I don't come. I feel very shy to come out after I stop playing cricket. I stayed away as much as I can. I don't want to remember my good days. That's gone. That's a history. So thank you very much. And my memories start coming back, what I did in Sri Lanka, good and bad. It was wonderful time I spent. I wish everybody, especially to the ladies cricket team, well done. I think it's important when the ladies start playing cricket, we look up to you. All the best to everybody, and especially to the administrator of your country. It is not easy when you don't have so much funds and your neighbors have a lot of funds. A lot of funds. Take it from them. Grab them. Don't leave them. Take it by hook or crook. Take it. It will be fun. I think your passion in your country is there, and I wish everybody well done. Keep up the good spirit. Let's enjoy the life also. Thank you very much for inviting me.